5-ton 18 SEER inverter unit. Only 11 amps. At full speed it should take approximately 17-18 amps, but right now it's a cool day, so it doesn't work full speed. Very quiet. 58 decibels. Very quiet. I've already seen a couple installations of these X series units, and some contractors don't know that it can be used as a two-stage unit. It depends how you wire the indoor fan. So this unit can vary its capacity based on a load. Right now it's ramping up. Again, we have 17.5 amps. So depending on how you wire the indoor fan, you have different load on a coil. And today this unit been ramping up and down from 8 to 17.5 amps. So you can use this unit as a two-stage unit, or you can use it with zoning. You just have to wire it the correct way. In today's setup, we are running this unit with zoning. Right now only one zone is calling for cooling, and it's been ramping down all the way to 8 amps. Now it ramped back up to 11. Let's turn on second zone downstairs. Okay, you can see unit is speeding up. Full speed is approximately 16-18 amps. Today we are using this condenser with two-zone system, and this condenser has only 24-volt input to go on and off. It varies its speed based on a heat load, based on a superheat, which is pretty much temperature of refrigerant that's coming back into the unit. So it knows the load on an inside coil, and it varies its speed to give you most efficiency. 17 amps for 5-ton unit, that's pretty good. Sticker efficiency of this unit is 18 SEER 1.8 for 5-ton, or I'm sorry, 17 SEER 1.7 for 5 tons, or 18 SEER if you're using it in a 4-ton configuration. And it's the same unit for 4 or 5 tons. The way you set it up, you just have those dip switches and you choose maximum capacity. So they do have same unit, dual fan unit for 3.5, 4 and 5 tons, and they have single fan unit, also slimline unit, for 2 and 2.5 and 3 tons. What do we get? 17 amps, both zones running. It's pretty cool today. I'm sure on a hot day it would go all the way up to 18 amps. This is our typical attic setup for horizontal furnace. We have multi-position furnace on the left side. We have horizontal cased coil. We have supply plenum. We do have secondary pan with the water switch, overflow water switch, so if any water is leaking from the coil, it's gonna go into secondary pan, and it's wired to turn off the system. We also have secondary overflow switch on a primary pan on a secondary line. Also, the drain pump is wired to turn off the system if pump is not working. This setup we're using with zoning. We have zoning panel. We run in 2 zones, upstairs and downstairs. Outside we do have inverter, 5-ton air conditioner. This furnace has 2 16-inch returns, 5 24-volt dampers. By the way dampers are, we can see that behind this insulation there is an electronic damper. It's wired, so whenever your upstairs or downstairs is calling for cooling or heating, these dampers close or open